In the past, the technology set time and place. These days, wherever you might be, no matter at what time, it's right there for you. What once used to take a lot of time and energy, today it's just a few clicks away. The technological progress gives us the power to reach new goals, considerably faster and more comfortable. From now on, hard and tiring manual work belongs to the past. Times change, and so do requirements. Klauke Micro, the world's first electromechanical crimping tool with PowerSense technology. Manual pre-clamp and motorized crimping. Klauke Micro, that's the way you crimp today.